Molweni, nam gelegele nonke gazethe Subway Entertainment. Hayudarumo Samselego and producers of Izingane's Tembu. They have us by the balls. Gasana, tell me why is each and every episode so interesting. Anyways, guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, nanko ke uraro umosamsele kunompumelelo bahleli bayathetha ke into endizele apha isegment kaLwandle as well as segment kaMpumelelo and uVuyokazi. So uraro umseleku is basically sharing with uMpumelelo that I would really enjoy seeing you and your brother ekungulwandle rekindling your relationship. Niyakhumbula ke uMpumelelo and uLwandle, they were quite close up until uMacele azame ukubahlukanisa. You understand, they were very close, babe live together, babethanda ukwenza i-lives uMpumelelo wherever he goes uhamba noLwandle xa beyoka inyama yenhloko, they are together. All of those things bezenza njani, bezenza together as a siblings up until ke uraro Mseleku wabuza ba ithini into yakho between wena noLwandle, aveze ke uMpumelelo. This was in season 3 of Izingane Zesithembu. Then uMpumelelo aveze into ba hey tata, naku kaloku ukwenzeka, uyakhumbula mna noLwandle we wanted to go into a business adventure, we wanted to open a security company together, and that is sendiyabona hayibo andithi we were still like strategizing isephansi nje into yethu ye-security company. Ndathi ndiyeva hayibo nanku uMacele went behind my back wathatha uLwandle. They wanted to do the very same business adventure mna nobhuti wami ebesifuna ukuyenza, but excluding me, and I did not like that. I felt betrayed as uMpumelelo. So uyatsho ke nangoku into ba uMpumelelo, when uraro Mseleku was like, whatever you do, yonke into oyenzayo njengoba uyolobola, please mntanam ungamshiyeli ngaphandle ubhuti wakho ekungulwandle Mseleku. So uyachaza ke uMpumelelo into ba njani, because mna anangxaki nobhuti wami, but umamakhe does seem to have an issue with me. She knows yena izinto azitshoyo konyana wakhe, so izothini ke ngoku into uba mna ndizinyanzelise ekubeni yena uxelelwa things about me endingazaziyo, but andifuni ke ukuthini ukukhupha amagama abantu. But that is the storyline ke esisaziyo into ba into eyabaxabanisa would be the security a company. So ke uraro Mseleku uye wathetha nangokuba njengokuba nje uganwa ngane yami izothini na indlu kaMayeni. What is going to happen to Mayeni's house? I want one of the wives to take over. Wabe sitshuni Mpumelelo ba ayizokwenzeka ke lonto dada, because kaloku umama is still alive, pretty much alive. Mna ndifuna ukuziqalela into yam ngaphandle. Then wabe ke efaka nabantwana bakaVuyokazi esithi nabantwana bakaVuyokazi mababuye ekhayeni elishushu, ungaba exclude, because ulobola omama babantwana bakho. Nabo they need to, whenever they come back from Cape Town, they need to come back feel like they are what, they are at home. Wabe ke uMpumelelo esithi ba yo hayi ke udada uqalile uzama ukundichukuluza. That is what he is doing, uzama ukundichukuluza, because uyayazi ba into ba mna noVuyokazi we do not see eye to eye. Umhlambe this was shot before ke uMpumelelo went to Cape Town, because ebethetha ngento yoba mna andizokwazi kaloku ukuthetha noVuyokazi. Uyayazi ba how difficult it is. uVuyokazi is someone else's wife, so I'm definitely not going to be able to be talking to her. What mhlambe udada can be telling me is that uMayeni nomama kaVuyokazi, they need to be in communication so that kuzokwazi into ba abantwana bam ndinguMpumelelo bezokwazi ukuza emzumbe, not ba mna ndithethe with someone else's wife. Besitsho ke kanjalo ke uMpumelelo wabonisa screenshots whereby he was trying to reach out to uVuyokazi and basically wanting to speak to the children, or just reacting to ba hayibo what a beautiful picture, mhle umntana apha nana. Now ama-fans ke kaVuyokazi, fans of the show, felt like uMpumelelo was not being transparent enough. They feel as though if he wanted to share that side of Indoba Yena, he is this good dad he claims to be, then he should have also not shown ama screenshots whereby abuzba abantwana banjani, but also further go on to share ama screenshots whereby he has been paying maintenance for ingane. Atibuka baba na maintenance ingane ngiyazondla, then ke manje I wanted to see my children. So they are saying he is only showing icala that is going to benefit him. Meanwhile, Uvuyokazi once complained about Umpumelelo that Umpumelelo ungumuntu ongondliyo kakuhle. You understand? So that is what the viewers of the show wanted to see. Both sides. Sibona ba ungutata odeservayo nyani ukubona abantwana bakho. Okay, that is how into kaVuyokazi and Umpumelelo went. Now I did see uVuyokazi today get posted into ba it's a faulty Leto. Guys, I don't watch Uskim Sam. I don't know if it's Leto or it's Lito. Do you think I should maybe do my research first? Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. The way we pronounce Okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. The way we pronounce his name is Lido. Okay, so Uvuyokazi, after everything that was said in the dance, okay, uyahamba ke waya Facebook wakhe wathi faulty Lido. And let me tell you something. I did not see Uvuyokazi react to this before ngibone on Twitter someone writing faulty kamakhumalo, then wabese wafaka uLido, and I immediately got the message because siyayazi indoba how everything plays out kuThando Nesithembu. Whatever goes wrong, uDadumseleko blames who? Blames uMakhumalo. So yes, I don't watch Skim Sami, but I immediately got the joke when they put uMakhumalo. So ndiye ndabona ke leyo nto ku-X ngizozama ukuyifaka apha guys, then ke ndahambe ke nam ndayobhala kufacebook wami. Coincidentally, guys, coincidentally, nako ke guys, ifans kaVuyokazi zisithi I'm shading Uvuyo, and I hadn't even seen that Uvuyo had also posted that uyawathini yifaulty kaLido. Yeah, understand. I hadn't seen that, but I did see someone on X shade uMakhumalo. So that is to say that whatever is happening, yonke into, her not responding to Umpumelelo when he's asking about the children, everything enzekalayo that is going wrong, the fault belongs to who? The fault belongs to uLido, because uSkim Sama ndimbukele, but it does seem as though uLido does also get blamed for everything that goes wrong. Like yonke into ibekwa kuye kuthiwa nguwe oyenzileyo. Yonke anything and everything that goes wrong iye inguye obekwa icala. I think that is how I interpreted the entire situation when it comes to obviously uMakhumalo. So that is how ke uVuyokazi reacted to the whole thing. And everyone ke did abona kwi comment section yakhe, because I also had to go over and see what was that about. And people were agreeing with her into ba yeke ifaulty kaLido nyani. Ayiyo ifaulty yakho wena Vuyo. Whatever is happening, it is his fault. And she was basically laughing at that and agreeing. And people were asking into ba ifaulty yantoni? Athi uVuyo, everything yonke into, whatever goes wrong nje empilweni, fault kaLido. You understand? So yeah, that was her shade, and that was her reaction to ke episode yayizolo. Now I just wanted to take ke going back to Ulwandle Mseleku versus Umpumelelo Mseleku. This is what one viewer said about the entire situation ke that they are currently going through as brothers. Uthi ke guys, uMacele raised Ulwandle to be her auxiliary husband. She's isolating Ulwandle and keeping him as a child so that she can have him all to herself. I remember Lwandle's first girlfriend got pregnant. She said she wants a DNA testing. The child wasn't Lwandle's child according to the test. Now it's crazy too. She wants a DNA testing that the child isn't Lwandle's. I think she knows something we do not know, or she is paying bribes for all those tests to be negative so that she can keep Ulwandle all to herself. Whenever Ulwandle gets close to something or someone, she makes sure that she destroys that thing. Ulwandle has nothing going on for himself except being Mseleku, and that is really sad. So abantu did have different opinions. Kukhona ke nabathi namke, if I was uMacele, I would keep my son away from Umpumelelo Mseleku. Sorry guys, because Umpumelelo Mseleku loves amantombazana, uyamithisa left, right and center. But guys, sizokhumbula into ba ku season